Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You start by proving this device is yours. That matters. Gather the receipt, IMEI, box, or the email tied to the account now. Once done, charge the phone to at least 50% and connect to a reliable Wi-Fi network so operations don't fail mid-process. Make sure you note the exact model and OS version. Support often asks for that. These steps speed up recovery and keep everything above board. Do this before you contact any service or attempt resets. You should proceed via official account recovery next. Sign into the device maker's web portal, find my device, find my iPhone, or the manufacturer's account page, and follow the guided recovery flow. If passwords are forgotten, use the password reset tied to your email or phone number. Two-factor codes or backup codes can be critical. Once done, have a photo ID and proof of purchase ready for live support. These official channels preserve data and keep you compliant with security policies. If account recovery fails, take the device to an authorized service center with your proof of ownership. They can verify and unlock or reprovision the device for you. Once there, discuss options. A factory reset will clear the lock but erase data, so only choose that if you've accepted the data loss. Make sure you escalate to carrier or manufacturer support lines if initial service denies help. This route keeps everything legal and avoids risky bypass.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.